If you searched how to buy shares of Gray Media Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Gray Media Inc. operates in broadcast and digital media and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GTN. This video is for educational purposes only. To buy GTN, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GTN to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Gray Media Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a short company profile and the price chart for GTN. Confirm the company details and ticker to make sure this is the right listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may queue as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.